In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Turbotax community and post a question like a tax expert. Whether you're preparing your taxes or simply looking to seek advice, joining the community can be an incredibly useful resource. So, let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll need to head over to the Turbotax official site. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL turbotax.intuit.com. Press enter and you'll be directed to the home page. TurboTax offers an array of services, but our focus today is on accessing the community, an excellent platform for finding answers and sharing insights with fellow users and experts. Once you're on the home page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Community. Clicking on this link will transport you to a dedicated page filled with discussions on various tax topics. This is where you can become part of a vibrant community, eager to share knowledge and assist one another. Now you're ready to find answers or contribute by posting a question. To do this, look for a search bar on the community page. Here you can type in any question you might have. Whether it's about tax deductions or filing statuses, you'll likely find someone else has asked something similar before. Enter your question and hit enter to see the results. For example, if you're dealing with the intricacies of deleting the sale of a rental property that didn't occur, type this scenario in the search bar. You'll probably spot an existing thread that matches your query. Once you find a question that closely matches yours, click on the title to navigate to that discussion. Inside the discussion, you'll see various responses from community members and experts. If you didn't find the responses sufficient, or if your question has a unique twist that hasn't been addressed, you can contribute by starting a new thread or replying to existing ones. To do this, locate the reply button in the discussion and click on it. Now you can type out your question or add further details to steer the conversation to your specific needs. Be clear and concise to ensure you receive the best possible advice or response. Once you're satisfied with your draft, simply press the post button to share it with the community. And there you have it, you've successfully joined the TurboTax community and posted your question. By actively engaging with others and exchanging tax related insights, you're not just getting the answers you need, but also contributing to a broader conversation that helps everyone become a little more tax savvy. Remember, the more you participate, the more you benefit from this fantastic resource. Thanks for watching and happy tax filing.